Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ratna. Hope you're all doing great today. December 4th is National Cookie Day, and let's celebrate it with everybody's favorite chocolate chip cookies. So first we'll take half cup butter and beat it for a couple of minutes. After that we'll take 1 cup sugar and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and beat it again. And then we'll crack an egg and add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence or vanilla extract and beat it again. Instead of egg, you can add half cup water and 1-inch mashed banana. And then we'll add 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour and blend it well. And finally, we'll add 1 cup chocolate chips and blend it for one last time. For stovetop baking, we will take an iron skillet and grease it with vegetable oil spray and spread the entire cookie dough onto the skillet and cover and bake on low flame for 30 minutes. For conventional baking, we will take a baking pan covered in aluminum foil and grease it with vegetable oil spray and drop a tablespoon dough onto the pan. And then flatten the dough and round off the edges and bake it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes. These cookies are crispy on the outside and very chewy in the inside, and I really hope you'll make it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Also, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel notifications, press the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.